I don't know if you caught this. Ethereum, kind of Ether, hit a record today.
Yeah, I was watching the.
You were watching it?
Yeah. It was doing pretty good. It's just rising.
Why is this? Are you invested in this stuff?
No, it's just usually I see it correlate with Bitcoin.
Okay.
But for some reason, Ethereum is kind of off in its own branch recently.
It's flying.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what it's at right now. We might as well do a time of filming. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are definitely in all-time high territory. Yeah, we're all-time high on that baby.
So you can kind of see some dips in Bitcoin. Usually it's like almost 1-to-1.
Yeah.
But Ethereum's just flying right now.
Yeah, it's up 6.19% last 24 hours.
So that's good.
Yeah.
People who have a stock in it.
Well, I think the question. I've been watching it since this morning, and I was curious as well. Obviously, we've had the NFT stuff, and then we had the Visa announcement that they were going to be relying on Ethereum blockchain. I suppose the question becomes, what else is at play as far as this 6.5% gain on one single day?
I heard Cuban made an announcement saying that he owns a lot of Ether. I think that was like today.
You feel like that bounced that pumped it up a little bit?
I think so.
Yeah, here we have a couple reasons Ethereum is about to skyrocket. Superstar artist Damien Hirst to sell 10,000 NFTs using a new Ethereum technology called Palm. I mean, people are just getting involved, man. There's hype. There is certainly hype. This is the thing you were talking about.
Yeah.
Mark Cuban on his own cryptocurrency portfolio. I own a lot of Ethereum because I think it's the closest to a true currency.
This was yesterday.
There you go.
Yesterday was April Fool's. So who knows?
The old April Fools.
But I think this could have helped.
Yeah. Let's see what the Motley Fool says. Here are 3 reasons Ethereum is about to skyrocket. Visa adoption. Well, we talked about that one. Yesterday, payments juggernaut Visa announced it would start settling transactions in cryptocurrency. The company has partnered with Crypto.com to pilot a settlement layer based on the Ethereum network. Okay, that's good. NFTs, we already talked about it. That's all Ethereum based. And then supply cut, which we've talked about a little bit here. That's the idea that some Ethereum would be burned and gone out of circulation. So unlike a supply chain where you just have a limited amount, what if every transaction you're actually effectively getting rid of some? That's even hotter.
Yeah.
And that's supposed to happen with EIP 1559. That's the controversial thing that miners don't know how to feel about. Anyway, regardless, the network is poised for higher demand and lower supply. You know how these things go. You start burning this stuff up. Shout out Ethereum. That's actually my crypto of choice as well. I mean, I might as well put it on there.
Yeah.
So I'm in there.
You're playing the game?
I'm in there a little bit. I don't know.